step-by-step instructions on trading futures on Bybit. Hello, dear friends. In this video, I will tell you how to trade futures on the Bybit exchange. If you have not yet responded to Bybit, the link is in the description. So we go to Bybit and select Derivatives, then select USDT Perpetual, and choose the currency on which we will trade. Let's choose Bitcoin for now. Then I will show you how the interface looks like, where we need to click, how to trade, and so on. Of course, before trading futures, we need to deposit our funds to a single trading account. If you have funds on the funding account, then you can transfer them to the single trading account using the Transfer button. Click Transfer and transfer them from the funding account to the single trading account. I already have funds in the single trading account here, so let's see. In order to choose the currency we want to trade in which we want to trade, we can click on the top left and select the currency we want. Now, gaining popularity, of course, Coin, as you know. If you leaked for cryptocurrency, it rose as much as 300%. This is very cool, and many who traded even futures, not only futures. So let's, I think, on the example of Coin, I will show you how futures trading works. Look, what is very important for futures trading is, of course, to choose the right chart. Let's choose a minute chart to see how the price behaves during a minute. We can analyze how it behaved for several days and look at the chart. We have decided. Now for trading, we will need, of course, on the right side of the panel where we can open a trade on the upside and on the downside. What we have going on with the chart. As you can see, we have Coin post from yesterday's strong growth. Now it is very much down and is on a small correction. So I think we can still quite well bet on the downside. In order for us to open a trade to long, a trade to short, we need to select the amount of USDT that we want to open a trade. Let me remind you, we have a leverage of 5x. Let's choose 60 USDT and click Open Short. Click Accept, and our trade is successfully opened. We can observe our trade at the bottom in the position parameter. It says our profit or our loss. Now at the moment, we are in a loss. So you see, we have a red panel, it says red, and there are percentages written how much we can earn or how much we can lose. Also written is the liquidation price. The liquidation price we have is at 008. That is, if suddenly the price of Coin reaches 008, we will lose all our funds. Until this price has not reached, we are still in the transaction. We have not lost, not gained. Only after we close the transaction, we can say that we have traded in the plus or traded in the negative. It is also very important when trading futures, of course, to observe risk management. Therefore, we can set take profit and stop loss. We can do this at the bottom with the button add. Here we have a position, take profit and stop loss. Take profit is the price that we are ready to take away. That is, if the price reaches the value of take profit. Here we set the price, after which the deal will close and will close exactly in plus stop loss. Is the deal where we do not want to lose much more than we would like. That is, let's say we have now a deal in minus $1 and we do not want to lose more than $1 so that our minus does not go more than 1%. We can set it to 1%. That is, look, minus 10%, let's say, we set it. We lose about $1. Let's probably set it that way. Everything, we can also set take profit by pressing TPSL, by pressing right here on the chart and set our take profit. Let's say that the price falls down to here, our deal will be automatically closed. We have now put the deal on short. If the price rises, we will close the deal on stop loss. If it falls to this value, it will close on take profit. Everything is very logical. If we opened in long, it would be the opposite. In principle, somewhere like this, here at the bottom, as you can see, is written our unrealized PNL. That is, now we are still in the plus 0.04 cents, and we can safely close our deal with the button Market or Limit. If we want to close at limit, we choose limit. But if we suddenly need to urgently close the deal, we better choose, of course, market. And we choose 100% and click close. We can also, in addition to being able to close 100%, we can also close partially. Let's say we close 50% or 75%, and we will close only some part of our amount. That Notecoin is a little bit down. It has a correction, because after such a huge growth, there is always a decline. And in no case, of course, you should not buy and bet on the rise. Of course, we can make money on these small movements, as it was, for example, here. There was a small growth movement, but in general, the general trend will be a decline for a while, unpredictable coin, but it showed itself just great. If you are sitting at the cryptocurrency, you should definitely know about this background. It's very important. Yes, by the way, when trading, of course, both futures and cryptocurrencies. It's very important, of course, to watch the information background, how to identify levels, how to trade from them, how to open trades correctly, in order to make more profitable trades than losing ones. Well, I think that's enough. Let's try to close the trade. 100% click the confirm. We closed our trade manually. We made a little bit of money. 0.05 cents. Yes, it's a small amount, but the main thing is the number of positive trades than negative. I think that's it. Thank you for watching. Put likes, subscribe to the channel, and do not miss useful videos on cryptocurrency, on trading, on how to earn and keep up to date with the latest events. Thank you, and see you soon.